Gentlemen, what I need you to do is, I had a typo on here. You can just scratch out the polynomial that it has there. It was supposed to be negative 4n to the fourth plus 40n cubed minus 100n squared. Now guys, this pattern you need to get and memorize. It's really not something you memorize. I mean, you just need to know the order in which you look at stuff. The very first thing that we do is we look to see if there's anything that I can pull out. So when I'm pulling out stuff from all of the terms, I want to get rid of any negative in front of the highest power, and I want to pull out any common numbers and variables. So what should I pull out of this one? It says negative 4n to the fourth plus 40n cubed minus 100n squared. What should I pull out, Gordy?
2n.
Not 2n.
4n?
Nope. Miles. Negative 4n squared. All of them have that. All of them. I need to pull out a negative because I got to get rid of this. All of them 4 goes into. All of them have an n squared. So I need to pull out negative 4n squared. That's going to give me n squared here plus, or no, I'm sorry, minus 10n. What's the last one, Austin?
100
Plus 25. Okay? Now, that's the first thing I do. I pull out any common factors. You have really got to practice that. Okay? Now, once I do that, I look at the second question. If 2 terms, does this have 2 terms? No, it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now I'm going to go here. If 3 terms, factor the trinomial. Let's look at this, Jackson. With a trinomial, there's really one thing I want to ask first. Is there anything in front of the squared variable?
No.
No. Since there's not, I'm going to break it into 2 binomials. And what goes in the front of these 2 binomials? N and n. And what question do I then ask myself to figure out what the numbers are going to be behind the n? Jackson?
What goes into these numbers?
Well, how do I figure out what these numbers are?
They both go into 5.
They,
5 goes into both of those.
okay, sort of. Miles?
If the first one is the square, if it is a perfect square, the second.
You know what I'm going to ask myself? These 2 numbers multiply to give me positive 25. They add to give me negative 10. So I need negative 5 and negative 5. Because negative 5 times negative 5 gives me positive 25. But negative 5 plus negative 5 gives me negative 10. Okay? Now, I need to look at the remaining factors. I've got 3 of them. One here, and one here. Okay? Are any of these, can I factor any of these remaining factors? Miles? I don't think so. That's it. We're going to leave the number by itself. Okay? That's it. It's done.